tam wiesz. Can you not do that?
Hey, I'm just recording something.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Zobaczyć, jak Polska się zmieni. Nie poznasz Polski. Może zechcesz w Polsce zostać.
Environment Canada has
Canada
updated
is-
a severe weather bulletin
Michał.
for southern Ontario
Canada
at
is-
3:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday, November 30th. Snowfall warning is issued for Pickering, Oshawa Southern Durham region. A freezing rain warning is continued for City of Hamilton. A weather advisory is continued for City of
finished?
Toronto, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York region, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Dufferin, Innisfil, and
Dobra,
Alton Peel.
ubieraj się.